Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we will learn how can we scale and fit the datas in a single sheet. Okay, or we can say how to use scale to fit group. As you can see guys, here the list of 55 number of students, and when we'll just press Ctrl plus P and have the print preview, then here is just 41 students, and the next is, and here is just 41 student, and the rest is in the next page. So what we can do is to keep it in a single page, to keep all this data in a single page, what we can do is we can scale the data, scale the sheet. So to do this, just click on page layouts, and here we have scale to fit. Now when I'll zoom out, then as you can see, here's that imaginary a dotted line where it's crossing the data. So from here to here it's page 1, and from here to here is page 2. So to bring it to the single page, what we can do is we'll just press this down arrow, and as you can see, whenever I'll press it, then this move outward to that sheet. Now as you can see, this data is now fit to the screen. So I'll just press Ctrl plus P to have a print preview. Now here's the data of total 55 number of students. Okay, so this way we scale the data, guys. That's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.